Hello, my name is Aaliyah Harris, and today I'm here to share an experience with you about a class called PRPE 2180, taught by Lynn Kravitz, and I really think it's an amazing class that you guys should all give out a chance. So let's get started. At the beginning of my college career, I was always having a really rough time with my studying and all my habits, with worrying about my grades, and overall it was just impacting my GPA badly. So I knew I had to change something, but I didn't know exactly what, because a lot of people are not taught how to study correctly in high school, and I learned that when I had a rude awakening in my first few college classes, and I was like, I really don't know what I'm doing. But thankfully, this class taught by Professor Lynn Kravitz has really helped me to enhance my abilities and become a better student overall, and improve my quality of life through other aspects of this class. One of the ways that Professor Lynn Kravitz teaches us is through West Pointing. And as you can see here, I took pictures from the lecture slides that we do in class. So I don't know if you can see it, but this is West Pointing. We draw, describe, analyze, and problem solve. And this is a verbal quiz that we take. And what he does is he has a question up on the board and we silent answer it. And then after, he puts it up on the board, and he does this for a bunch of questions. And so it feels like it's layering information. So by the time you get to the exam, it doesn't seem as overwhelming because I've already done a bunch of quizzes on the material. So I think that really helped me with retaining information. And yeah. Another thing that really helped in Professor Kravitz's class was positive reinforcement, because I feel like a lot of us students need that, everyone needs that, in order to achieve more, and it's always nice to have some motivation to do better in your academic studies in life. So that's another reason why I think it's worthwhile to take this class. Yet another reason for taking this class would be to deepen understanding of exercise science in general and nutrition, because both of those can also help you to become a better student, and by getting better quality sleep, better mood, increased energy levels, and all of this is according to Mayo Clinic. And nutrition can also help, because if you know what type of foods to put into your body and what not to, that could also help you to fuel you better for your studies. And it's just a good thing to know overall for quality of life. And according to the CDC, having good nutrition can help with healthy brain development, healthy growth in children and babies, and just overall longer life. So for all of these reasons, I think that you guys should try out the class. And thank you so much for listening to my presentation.